Okay, so here's another one. If you wanted more, you'll get more. This one is a little bit more bumpy because I'm thermaling right on the ridge. There's essentially a little, how do you call this, Trichter in German, in the mountains where the wind blows in. And we also have some thermals. And so this gives some quite reliable lift. Well, apparently it just stopped being reliable. So let's see if we have something out here under this cloud. Yes. Sorry for the bumpiness, but holding the camera phone with one hand. We're still quite a bit away of the mountain, so it's not dangerous at all. Also, we don't have a lot of wind, so the wind doesn't press us against the mountain, which sometimes is a little bit annoying. So this is the end essentially of a 300-kilometer flight. As you can see at the bottom left, it's 300 kilometers. If I zoom out, you can see the yellow line. Essentially it was going like this. And I'm just spending some time on the parkour, as they say here, which is this ridge on the left, which is what you typically do in the evening from Gap, because it's reliable and it's easy to get back home to the airfield. Need one more hand to operate the flaps. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to get up to the cloud here, to this big one, and then I'm going to go along essentially that line along the clouds back to Gap where I took off, and then after about 4.5 or 5 hours I'm going to land. So you can see nicely the parkour. It's a long ridge that is typically illuminated by the sun, so there's thermals, and in the prevailing westerly winds it is also a ridge in the sense that it produces ridge lift. And so when the weather is good you have dozens of gliders here, which is sometimes not that funny because it's just full. Now it's not that bad. 3 or 4 others here. I found a little bit of lift, trying to exploit it. Here's the parkour again. Okay, I didn't find enough lift. Okay. Here, this valley you can see here, this goes to Saint-Aubin. It's another popular airfield where people go in the summer, and it's kind of a nice escape hatch. If I can't, if I can't make altitude here, I can escape over there. You always need a plan B in the mountains, so you know where to go if you don't find the thermals you expect. Alright, so I'm at plus, as you can see, plus 1365 meters on Gap, so I should get home easily. So I'm leaving the ridge and flying towards Gap. You can see the magenta line, which is a little bit further right, will bring me home. Alright, so that's it.